Welcome to Green Process, where the journey of the purple eggplant begins.
Our vertical farm creates the perfect environment, transforming agriculture into refined art.
Each eggplant is nurtured under optimal conditions, starting from a single blossom.
Precision robotics ensure that every fruit is treated with absolute care.
Our experts use advanced technology to monitor growth and guarantee premium quality.
From the ground floor to the ceiling, we maximize every inch of space.
Once harvested, the journey continues as they are transported for immediate processing.
Advanced cleaning systems wash every vegetable, leaving them sparkling and pristine.
This isn't just farming, it is a symphony of cleanliness and speed.
Our precision blades slice with accuracy, preparing the eggplant for culinary greatness.
Uniform slices enter the oven, ready to be transformed by the heat.
We season with Mediterranean spices, adding deep flavor to every single bite.
Here, we blend roasted eggplant into a rich, creamy, and smoky masterpiece. Quality control is our obsession, ensuring perfection in every single jar.
Now, cuisine meets art as we layer flavors into something truly special.
Behold, a refined culinary creation that tastes as incredible as it looks.
The taste is undeniable proof that quality ingredients make all the difference.
But we don't stop at food. We transform our harvest into colossal art.
Thousands of whole eggplants are arranged to create a breathtaking, organic texture.
We build the impossible, merging organic nature with futuristic industrial design. Look at the detail. Even the helmet is crafted from natural stems.
Behind every creation is a dedicated team, passionate about green innovation.
This is Green Process, where simple ingredients become symbols of pure luxury.
Witness the incredible transformation from a humble seed to a gourmet plate.
From our facility to the world, we are setting a new standard. Green Process, where quality, inspiration, and nature come together as one.
We use advanced technology to unlock the genetic potential of our crops. Our automated lines fill and seal with speed that the eye misses. Our logistics center operates with seamless automation, preparing products for global shipping.
From savory dips to stuffed delights, we offer a versatile culinary experience.
We dream big, turning small ideas into massive, awe-inspiring reality.
Nature's intricate details are beautiful, and we preserve them in every step.
Watch as life unfolds, accelerating from a tiny seed to a harvest-ready plant.
Inside the tunnel, intense heat locks in flavor and perfects the texture.
Hygiene is paramount. Our facilities are kept spotless to ensure absolute safety. We connect our sustainable farms to markets across the entire globe.
Our art isn't just for show. It is an interactive, delicious experience.
Green Process is the brand where nature is beauty meets industrial excellence.
Laser scanning technology detects even the slightest imperfection on every single fruit. Our scientists monitor real-time data to maintain the highest quality standards.
Powered by the sun and wind, our factory is truly sustainable.
We recycle every drop of water, ensuring purity and environmental responsibility.
Nothing goes to waste. Organic scraps power our facility through advanced composting.
Our fleet of autonomous robots manages inventory with incredible speed and accuracy.
I am proud to oversee a logistics network that never sleeps.
Even our packaging reflects the premium quality of the product inside. We maintain a strict cold chain to lock in freshness during transport.
Our electric fleet delivers sustainable nutrition directly to your local market.
In the kitchen, our chefs craft delicate rolls filled with creamy ricotta.
Golden and crispy, our fried eggplant is a texture lover's dream.
Experience the height of luxury with our exquisite eggplant caviar garnish.
Thank you. There is nothing quite like enjoying a meal made with passion.
Food brings us together, creating moments of joy and shared connection. Art requires a strong foundation, built with steel, fire, and precision.
We use cutting-edge 3D printing to engineer custom parts for our sculptures.
Every colossal sculpture starts with a detailed blueprint and a big dream.
At night, our creations stand silent, ready to amaze the world tomorrow.
We use different eggplant varieties to mimic the complex anatomy of the hand.
Our art installations transform public spaces into landmarks of creativity.
Capturing memories with our giant sculptures has become a global phenomenon.
The production line is a mesmerizing dance of glass and light.
We analyze the cellular structure to understand the secrets of perfect texture.
Our marinades are blended fresh to infuse deep, savory flavors.
Vacuum sealing locks in the freshness and guarantees safety for years.
We honor the history and diversity of this incredible vegetable.
Compare the old ways with our clean, controlled, and sustainable future.
Fire roasting adds a smoky depth that you simply cannot fake.
Creamy baba ganoush is the perfect dip for any occasion.
Moving our colossal sculptures requires heavy machinery and careful coordination.
We transport our art across the country to bring joy everywhere.
Overnight, our team assembles the giant puzzle into a masterpiece.
The grand opening is a celebration of art, food, and community.
From below, the scale and detail of the artwork are breathtaking. These are delicate creations, meant to be admired, but not touched.
With our app, you can trace your food directly to the source.
We are Green Process. leading the way into a sustainable future.
From farm to table, our product range offers something for everyone.
Green process, rooted in nature, crafted for excellence.
We use natural bioresin to preserve the artwork's beauty for weeks.
Even pollination is aided by advanced micro-robotics for maximum efficiency.
Our global logistics network ensures our products reach every continent.
Air freight delivers our premium goods fresh to international markets.
Asian cuisine celebrates the eggplant with high heat and bold flavors.
We are expanding our reach, bringing green innovation to the world.
Our packaging is made from 100% recycled eggplant fiber.
Our research and development team is constantly creating new, exotic varieties.
Artificial intelligence manages the farm, optimizing at every single variable for growth.
This mosaic is created entirely from thousands of tiny eggplant skin squares.
It is incredible to see how simple peel becomes a masterpiece.
Perfect grill marks and sea salt enhance the natural, smoky flavor.
We maintain our facility around the clock to ensure peak performance.
Nutrient fog blankets the roots, delivering hydration directly and efficiently.
Our oil-cured makdous is a traditional delicacy, rich in heritage.
Thermal imaging guarantees that every jar is sterilized to perfection.
Our giant sculptures have captured the hearts of millions online.
Our biocoating keeps produce fresh for weeks, reducing food waste.
We collaborate with world-class artists to bring our vision to life.
Excellence is our standard, recognized by awards and customers alike.
Top chefs rely on our products for their consistency and stunning presentation.
Rich, creamy, and ready to eat, it is the perfect healthy snack.
Our facility operates 24/7, a beacon of modern agricultural innovation. We harvest rainwater to minimize our footprint and protect the planet. Every batch is rigorously tested to ensure the perfect, vibrant purple hue. Travelers from around the world admire our fusion of art and nature.
Standing here, you truly feel the connection between earth and art.
Find green processed products on the shelves of your local supermarket.
Cooking healthy, delicious meals for your family has never been easier.
Share the love with dishes that bring the whole family together.
It all starts right here, with the miracle of a single seed.
Our robotic seeders plant thousands of crops with pinpoint accuracy.
With our technology, we accelerate growth while enhancing flavor and nutrition.
Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey of innovation.
Green Process is changing the world, one eggplant at a time.
Visit us online to learn more. Green Process. The future is now.